Hey, Reel, can we not make that noise? The bluegill butts have stopped trying to eat my legs. Maybe they realize leg hair isn't all that healthy. It's not my fault, that's where he got hooked, alright? Jimothy is doing just fine. He's back in the water. He's happy.
Yeah,
He's... No, Jimothy is happy. Jimothy is fully happy. No, he totally... I didn't get anything. Oh shit, did you? Nice. Here you go, dude. I told you.
Oh, I hate when he's hooked like that because then as soon as he jumps, he's gonna hook my shit.
You're fine. You
bitch.
Oh.
Dude, I love you, bro. You just need to chill.
Nice.
You need to chill, bro.
There. My boy with his first bass on a spook.
Well, you got hooked pretty good, dog. Might need your sexy hands on this bad boy.
No, you're fine. Hold on. She doesn't jump.
Yeah, damn. I got you, bro. Nice little bugger.
Yeah. For the camera, dude.
Oh!
And it's gone.
I got you, bro.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dog. Fucking dropped him.
Good release.
Let me get a photo quick. Oh, no, please. I'm sorry, buddy. I just want a photo. I'm fucking shaking.
How was that strike, dude?
Hell yeah.
Ooh, hey, he's gone.
Dude, he fucking surprised me towards the end.
Well, hopefully you didn't get any rocks in your reel because you just put it in the water.
Did I?
Yeah.
No.
Nice.
Oh yeah, broski.
And I wish I was facing you when that happened. But at least we got it on camera. That went more up than it did out. There we go. Oh, that was that one. Yeah. Oh, jeez. That's a good fish for here.
Yeah, dog. Time to get that spook back on. Dude, you're at what, 8 foot now?
Yeah. Probably my favorite bait. Pick knocker pup. Yeah. Nice fat fish for here. Hey, he's gone. That was Mr. Mans. That was that one that kept blowing up in front of us. I'm pretty certain about it. Can you not make that noise?
Is that your Dwight?
Yeah. Yeah, my Tatula 1 hundo.
Tatula TW?
They're all TW.
There's a, I think it's a CT 100?
Yeah, don't get that one.
No?
No. I had that reel and I blew it out in a week.
Really?
And that wasn't even hardcore fishing. That was just fishing.
Yeah, there's, what's that one? Nah, but what's catching my eyes is the loos. The loos look, I know they're sleepers for sure.
Oh, I got bit right there. That's why I say about Bartlett, like, don't ever stop throwing topwater.
Are you doing like a fast and it's like you're slowing it down, or strictly fast?
So a spook is traditionally a searching bait. You cover water with it. So you can go fast to kind of find where the active fish are. And then once you kind of have it dialed in of, okay, what kind of retrieve do they, because last time we were here, I had to work it like this, slow, and kind of keep it in the same spot for a while. And if I was just moving it quick, by the time I was getting bit was right up near the shore. So they were chasing it for a long way before finally committing in the shallower water. Like, a lot of times I'll get caught pulling it way too fast, but that's also because, like I said, it's a search bait. So you're just trying to find the fish, you're just trying to cover water. You're looking for that either one aggressive fish, or if you find a school, you're trying to get them to trigger a strike. But you can definitely pause it in the retrieve. You can pause it, you can speed it up, you can slow it down.
Just depending on.
You making that noise is rude. And when I get those strikes way out far, I can't even tell you how it's happening because it's within the first 3 jerks and then whack. Something else I like to do is you keep hitting the water behind you. But something else that I like to do, which most people when they talk about topwater is like a cardinal sin to them, is the moment it hits the water, I start picking it up. I don't let it sit for that 3 seconds, 5 seconds. I don't sit and wait for the rings to dissipate. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't wait for the rings to disappear. The moment that hits the water, I'm going. As soon as I've engaged my reel and I start reeling, I just instantly go into the retrieve. And that triggers so many strikes, especially when you're fishing near the shoreline. Because if a bass sees it near the shore and it moves the second, because when it hits the water, that draws their attention to it. And if it starts moving immediately, they've got two actions: ignore it altogether or kill it. And you get some of the most explosive strikes because a lot of times instinct one kicks in of kill it. And that's the same thing with a long bombing cast. And the second it hits the water, you start picking it up. That's why some of those fish, the moment it hit the water out there and I was moving it, bam. Yeah. Because the two fish that I landed were the ones that smacked me way the hell out there. And that was as soon as they hit the water, started retrieving. But I'm pretty certain that's what's happening is as the fish circle around and they come back to this spot, our lures are already here. So that's a lot of times why we get them midway and closer in. Because as they start schooling back around, our bait's already there and they just go for it. Another thing, if you can keep your reflexes from reacting so quickly, when a fish blows up but completely misses, don't try to set the hook, because like I've already said, don't set the hook till you feel it in the first place. But if a fish blows up and completely misses, half the time when a bass hits the surface, they're just trying to stun the bait, especially if it's a little bit bigger than what they are currently feeding on. So when a fish blows up and either knocks the bait out of the water or misses, if you let it sit for a couple seconds and wait for that fish to get back in the water and turn around and look for it again, by the time you start moving it after 3, 4, 5 seconds, that fish or the next fish in line that's still looking for it, once they orient themselves again and it starts moving, they go straight for it. I can't tell you how many times I've had that happen where they literally knocked the bait clean out of the water. I just pause it for 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. And as soon as I hit it again, pow. Whack. And there you go, folks. That's your tip of the day. Hey, thank you for attending my TED Talk. See why I say the DCs are overrated? I'm casting farther than you, and I don't have a DC. My reel makes its own noise when it casts. Not that clean, but
Shut up.
it makes its own noise when
Shut
it...
up.
Okay, I'm sorry.